Hey, this is my 2019 Ibanez RGDIX6 MPB. And it's the only guitar I've ever bought purely based on looks. Look at it. It's incredible. It's the most money I've ever spent on a guitar. I bought it brand new. It's got wonderful hardware. It's just immaculately made. But until last week, I hardly played it. Let me show you why. This is what my guitar sounded like a week ago. It's fine, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's just not the sound that I like. Luckily for me, most of the sound of this guitar is coming from these two little black blocks in the middle. For the uninitiated, these are called pickups. And the good news is they're easily swappable, so that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so first things first, we've got to get this thing disassembled. With string tension off, I can safely clip the strings, and then feed them through the back of the ferrules. We're unscrewing the stock pickups. These are Damasio Fusion Edge pickups, and then taking the rear plates off. Here I'll pull the knobs and nuts off of the front electronics before desoldering all the existing wiring. I want to start completely fresh. This setup involves a push-pull pot, which I won't be taking forward. I found an old wiring harness in my electronics stash with a 500k pot, so I'm going to use that. The new pickups require a little modification, as the old pickups had rounded mounting points and these are square so they don't fit. Now that these are rounded, mounting the new pickups in position is pretty straightforward. Feed the wires through and screw them into place. Now initially this switch threw me for a loop, but after some multimeter testing and actually taking the thing apart, I worked out that it's a series of 4 levers that are inverted from each other. So when you push the switch one way, 2 of them engage. When you push it the other way, the other 2 engage. I'm wiring up a simple schematic where one pickup will engage when the switch is pushed one way, and the other will engage the other way. And both are engaged when in middle position. Off camera, I wired the pickup single wires into position. And for ground, I like to bundle up all of my ground wires, wire a single wire onto it, and then solder that to the back of the potentiometer. This little moment of cinematic genius is the only evidence I have of wiring up the potentiometer. The original knob didn't fit the new pot, so I had to find another one. Luckily, in my parts stash, I found a knob from my old Ibanez bass, and I think it looks pretty good. With everything wired up, all I had to do was chuck the plates back on, and time to string it up. I'm using Diodario 10-52 XS, which is their coated string, and we're all done. Let's see what it sounds like. So I really like them. I think they're a lot more versatile than the old pickups, and they just really suit the sort of tones that I like to play. They kind of remind me of single coils, but without the single coil hum. and also a lot warmer. These are really warm sounding pickups, perfect for the kind of stuff that I like to do. But you know, pickups and guitar tone are such a personal choice. What do you think of these? Do you like these better? Did you like the older ones better? Let me know in the comments below. For those wanting to know, the pickups I installed were GFS Mean 90s. They're only different colors because they didn't have matching colors in stock at the time for a bridge and neck set. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you had some fun, or maybe even learned something. I don't know. But if you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. And if you want to support further, head over to my Patreon. Just $5 a month, and I'll post behind the scenes stuff there as well. That's it. We're done. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.